Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ballcock valve is probably one of the most overlooked components of your toilet, but it's essential for proper functionality and water efficiency. A faulty ballcock can lead to constant running, wasted water, and ultimately, higher utility bills, not to mention the inconvenience of a toilet that doesn't work correctly. Today, we will explore what makes a great ballcock valve, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and ensuring your toilet functions flawlessly for years to come. Number 5. Kohler GP108316 Fill Valve Kit. This Kohler fill valve kit ensures a quiet and efficient toilet refill. It's designed for Kohler Class 5 toilets, providing a superior user experience. Experience the difference with its silent fill technology. It fills the tank quietly and smoothly, for a more peaceful bathroom experience. It comes with multiple inserts to adjust the fill rate, optimizing performance and conserving water. You can customize it to your needs. This kit is compatible with Kohler Class 5 toilets. Check the shank color to ensure you've selected the correct part for your toilet. As a genuine Kohler part, it's engineered to maintain original performance and extend the life of your toilet. It's built to last. The cap color might vary, and remember never to use abrasive cleaners on it. Always use a soft cloth for cleaning. What we like. It operates quietly, offering a peaceful bathroom experience. Its adjustable fill rate conserves water and optimizes performance. If you own a Kohler Class 5 toilet and value a quiet, water-efficient upgrade, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Installation was a breeze. The hardest part was making sure I didn't leak water all over the floor. Installation took about 10 minutes. When I was done, I turned the supply valve back on and the tank refilled completely in a minute or two. Worked like a charm and was easy to install. This kit from Kohler had all the parts one needed to replace the entire valve and even included several different adapters for the fill tubing and also handy, easy to follow instructions. I was able to drain the toilet, remove the old parts, set up the new valve at the same height as the old valve, and then install the new parts in about 30 minutes using minimal tools. Number 4. Korky 528MP QuietFILL. It replaces old ballcocks and worn-out valves in most 2-piece and 1-piece toilets. Installation is easy, ensuring your toilet runs smoothly. This quiet replacement valve features a simple twist lock adjustment. It's the easiest way to fix your toilet, adjustable from 7.75 to 13.5. It comes with everything for a quick installation in under 5 minutes. You get the fill valve, refill tube, and all the necessary hardware. We use high-quality, long-lasting materials, making it perfect for older and modern toilets. It's designed and made in the USA with durable Chlorozone red rubber. Korky is committed to providing universal repair parts that fit most toilets. It's a simple solution for a common problem. What we like. This is a universal fit for most toilets, making it a convenient solution for various toilet types. The simple twist lock adjustment ensures quick and easy installation. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement that fits most toilets and is made in the USA, this is the one for you. What people say. I literally had the toilet drained, the old rusty valve out, and the new Korky valve installed and working in less than 10 minutes. This valve was so straightforward to install, had helpful instructions, and is working great. For 45 years I have been using Fluidmaster 400A. This is simple and easier to install. The adjustable fill is faster, quieter and saves water by not overfilling the toilet bowl. Number 3. Danco 80816 Toilet Repair Kit. Is your toilet running constantly? This kit has everything you need to fix it, saving you water and money. It includes a new fill valve, flapper, rod, and float. These are the most common parts that cause toilet leaks. This DIY project is simple. Just follow the instructions and use common household tools. The fill valve is 8.5 inches tall, the rod is 7.75 inches, and the float is 5.5 inches. Everything is designed for a perfect fit. Made from durable plastic and rubber, it's built to last. Enjoy optimal performance for years to come. It's designed for standard single-flush toilets. The flapper even includes an adapter for a wider range of fits. You get a universal flapper, spring, float with rod, and ballcock with refill tube. Everything you need in one convenient kit. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit including all essential replacement parts. The straightforward instructions and common tools needed make installation a breeze. If you prefer a complete solution for a DIY toilet repair and want durable, long-lasting parts, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The materials feel solid, and everything seems built to last. Installation was easy and it works very well. Once placed in the tank I saw that there would be problems getting things to fit and clear one another. I ended up having to bend the original ball rod in a serpentine shape to get the ball high enough, compensating for the shorter valve height. Also needed to bend it to clear the drain tube. I got it in 4 bends. It fits and works good. No leaks. No air release or phantom flushing. Number 2. Danco Coast Mark IV Kit. Tired of a leaky toilet? This easy-to-install kit will save you water and money. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It's a simple, one-piece design that makes installation a breeze. Say goodbye to complicated repairs and hello to reliable performance. It's made from durable plastic, built to last. You can count on it for years of reliable service. At 12 inches tall, it fits most standard toilets. Installation is quick and straightforward. The kit comes complete with everything you need: float, flapper, and tank lever. You'll have everything you need for a successful repair. It's specifically designed to replace any Mark IV ballcock. It's the perfect replacement for your existing system. What we like. This ballcock's design helps conserve water, saving you money on your water bill. Its durable plastic construction ensures reliable, long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a simple, water-saving solution that's easy to install, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install and saves water. Came as a complete kit, with all parts to replace the ballcock. Works perfectly and easy to install. Number 1. Danco 80008 Anti-Siphon Fill Valve. This innovative fill valve is designed for reliable and quiet toilet operation. Its durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's built to last with strong, durable plastic. This ensures it can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. The simple, one-piece design makes installation quick and easy. No more complicated parts to assemble. It operates quietly and efficiently, thanks to its clever design. You'll barely hear it working. Easily adjust the water level with the convenient knob. Customize it to your specific needs. It fits most toilets, making it a versatile and practical choice for your home. Check for compatibility with your toilet model. What we like. Made from durable plastic, it offers reliable performance. The below water level design ensures quiet operation. If you need a durable, quiet, and adjustable replacement that fits most toilets, this is a good choice for you. What people say. I've been using these toilet fill valves for years. Love the design. Began using this type toilet valve many years ago. Easy to install, remove, replace, adjust. Virtually maintenance-free, but a great valve. Used these for years. It does away with the float assembly and all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.